Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable display external image in Gmail. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail applications here guys. Now if you wanna manage it, you just have to tap on this three lines icon at the top left in the corner of your screen. I'm gonna tap on it. Now scroll it down until you find here the settings options. And after here you just have to choose your Gmail account. Here I'm gonna use my third emails. After in this page I'm gonna scroll it down until we'll find here the image option. If you want to manage your display external image, you just have to tap on it, and now you just have to choose these two options here guys, which the first one always display external image, or the second one ask before displaying external image. So here I'm gonna choose the first one, and if you want to save it you just have to go back because it will save automatically. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.